Hi everyone, this short video is going to talk about how to record a video on Flipgrid using your screen sharing tools and being able to use, for example, work that you have on OneNote and share that to those on Flipgrid. So those of you familiar with Flipgrid know that if you have an assignment here like we have on the screen for this sample assignment and you click on record a response, what's going to come up is going to ask you to record your video, and what if I were to press this record right now, I would be able to upload my video and record this way. However, for a lot of math assignments, it's really helpful instead for us to be able to share our screens and show what we're doing inside of OneNote or any sort of other app. And the way that we're going to do that is clicking on these three dots at the bottom and selecting uploading clip. But in order to upload a clip, we have to create a clip. And that's where we're going to switch over here to a website called Screencast-o-matic. So you can just type it in Google, or you can just do screencast-o-matic.com. Notice the O, between the O, there's two dashes there when you're doing that. So when I load that up, and sorry, my computer is a little slow right now. Okay, so this is what the website is going to look like here. Screencast-o-matic.com. You're going to click on the record for free button. And the nice thing with Screencast-o-matic is it is free to use as long as your video is less than 15 minutes long. So we click on launch free recorder. And it'll take a minute to launch the recorder. And what ends up coming up on your screen is this black and white lined border, I guess, that we're going to be using. And what this allows you to do is to decide what part of your screen you'll be capturing when you do your recording in a moment. Typically, we'll want to do this with something like OneNote. So I'm going to slide over my OneNote. And let's say I want to screen share, what I'm doing on my screen right now. So I can click and slide this, right? And have just sort of the OneNote window here brought up. And what you'll also notice is if you look at the bottom here for the record button, you can see your narration to make sure your microphone is working. So as I'm talking right now, you can see the microphone is being recorded. The other thing you can do is you can record your screen. You can just record your webcam, which is basically defeating the purpose because Flipgrid already does that. And there's also an option here for both. So if you click on both, what it's going to do is in the bottom corner, it's going to actually have your webcam down here with your face if you want to show that. Or you can just share your screen. When you're ready to record, you're going to press on this record button, and it's going to give you a countdown. And once that countdown is on, you can talk and explain and go over whatever you need to. You can press the pause button at any point if you need to stop what you're saying or pause for a minute. So I'll go ahead and press pause now, and you see I'm 12 seconds in. You can, if you say you messed up and want to start over, you can press the trash can to start over. You can even rewind and record over yourself. Those are some more advanced features. But I paused it. I can press record again. It'll go ahead and give you a 3, 2, 1. And we can continue playing and we can continue talking as we're going through this as well. So that ends up working out nicely. So when you're done, you first off can press this play button, and this is going to go back and show you what you ended up doing. And that's going to give you a confirmation if everything recorded properly. When you're finished, you're going to press the done button, and it's going to ask you to save or upload. So we're going to go ahead and we need to save this now. So let's go ahead and give that a minute to load up here. Okay. And the key here to do is you want to save it as a video file. Okay. You don't want to upload to Screencast or to YouTube. You want to save it as a video file. So you click on save as video file, and then you decide what the file name is going to be. Click on the folder. I usually just save it on my desktop because I'm going to immediately be uploading it next. So we'll just call this sample video, and then I'm going to hit publish. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and let this just kind of wait out. It's going to load. Your video is probably longer than my, what did I make, a 20-second video? So it's going to take a little bit longer than what I'm showing you here. It could take upwards of 5 to 10 minutes. So be patient with that. It may not end up working out as quickly as what you're seeing on this video. So, okay, we're back to Flipgrid now. So now we're ready to upload this clip. So all we have to do is click upload clip. We can click this. And what this is going to pull up is all of our different stuff. So I'll go to my desktop, and we did sample video. There it is. We'll go ahead and press open. And there it is. It's showing the video that I already went over and showed you. Notice that it cut everything out that we needed to. And we have everything that we need to upload this now to Flipgrid. We'll go ahead and press next. You can put a selfie in here. So, of course, you can add different effects and hey, have fun with this part, you know? And then this will end up getting uploaded. So you take your snap, and that's a terrible snap, but we're just going to go ahead and move on. And you can upload and put in your information here, and then you press submit. So that'll conclude this video in terms of how to take a Flipgrid video and to upload, how to record a Flipgrid video using Screencast-o-matic.